everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We are still setting up for the fire sale, but we do have the first 30 already ready for tomorrow's fire sale. So here is your sneak peek video. Here you go. So we have number one for $7.50. The Fresh Finds. It comes with all these different makeup and health and beauty items in it. $7.50. Then number two for $5. We have the But First Pumpkin Lattes candles, and it's a 2-pack. So you're going to get either this set or this set, but they're both all the same candles, so $5 for number two. We have 2 sets of those. Bright and Bouncy, so we've got some cleanser, and you got some vitamin C, Bright Shot tonic, and other things in there, so a nice, cool kit. You can see all the things there. Number 5, $10. Oh, I just jumped. Sorry, number 3 is over here, and so number 3, so we went from 2 to 3. Number 3 is the Urban Skin RX Clear Cleansing Bar for $5. Number 4 is the Tylenol. This is grape flavored, not expired, for children. $5. Then we have the Bright and Bouncy set for $10. Number 5. Number 6 is the Dr. Teal's Body Lotion, lavender. $2.50 per bottle. We have 2 of those available. Number 7 is the Cool Dog Bones toy. $5 each there. Number 8 is the Star Bath Bombs. Number 8, the Star Bath Bomb set. You get 4 bath bombs. Number 9 is the Alka-Seltzer Plus Cold Severe Power Fizz 20 Effervescence tablets. So that's $5 per box. 3 of those available. Number 10 for $5 is your Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. Number 11 is the Skin Nourishing Set. Has all these different serums. So it's got Brighten, Hydrate, and Renew. $10 for that box. Number 12 is our really cool little hawk build nice set. Comes with the case and everything. Really cool case by Frost Cutlery. So number 65 is a vintage piece, $12. Number 13 is for $20. You get the little clucking chicken, vintage chicken. So this one does not have a face on this side, but on the opposite side, it does have a face. So number 13 is $20. Number 14 is $25. You can see there's a face on that side, but this one has it on both sides. And number 15 is the Pampered Nails set, a whole kit, $10. Number 16 is the Remington Twist and Curl, kind of like a flat iron, kind of like a curling iron, 2-in-1, $10. Number 17 is this whole kit there, the EOS kit that has all the different shea butters. Number 17, $10. Number 18 is this cool Curl Secret Ceramic Infinity Pro Conair Twist and Curl. That's $25 for number 18. Number 19 is a set of 2. You get the women's and the men's energy. So for $15, you get both of these sets of vitamins. Number 20 is the Kristen S curling iron. It is a 1-inch curling iron, $25, brand new. Number 21, the Knot Doctor hairbrush. 21 is the for painless detangleizer. So it's an all-in-one smoothing dryer brush for number 21, $20. Number 22 is the Revlon style curl and volumize hot air kit. So it's a brush that is also a dryer. So $5 for number 22. Number 23 is the Instant Heat Conair curling iron for $5, 1-inch curling iron. Number 24 is the Kristen S 2-inch soft bend curling iron for $30. Number 25 is the e.l.f. Blinding Lights shadow set. All these different colors for $10. Number 26 is Fall Night Long 2-pack of Glade candles. Number 27 is a set of shampoo and conditioner of the Herbal Essence Chamomile. So you get the whole set, the shampoo and the conditioner, $7.50. We have 4 sets of those available. Number 28, you get a 2-pack of this. You get the Island Breeze Cleansing Wash for sensitive skin by Up and Up. You get 2 of those at $5. We have 3 sets of those available. Number 29 is a 2 dog bone set for $5. And then we have number 30 is the Remington This is the titanium ceramic hair dryer, and just a sneak peek, there's another hair dryer. All right, that is all you get to see right now. Make sure you join us at noon Central Standard Time for the sneak peek fire sale and get all the goodies at discounted prices. We still have a whole nother table and maybe a third one to fill, so we're super excited. See you all, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.